Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. We are going to work on how to transfer a drawing by using a grid method. As you can see, I have a pencil, my reference photo, and a straight edge or triangle to use. First, I'm going to take my paper, and I had already broken it into a 7 by 9 inch box because my reference photo is 7 by 9 inches. So I am breaking this section into quarters. So that's all set. And now I'm going to move over to my reference photo. Same thing, just measure the photo in half, both vertically and horizontally, and then draw the lines, making it into quarters as well. You don't need any fancy tools to start a project like this. Just a regular pencil that you might have used in school is fine. If you're more comfortable with a mechanical pencil, that's fine as well. Of course, it's handy to have an eraser nearby. I have one hiding at the top of the screen there. And I wouldn't recommend drawing on any nice photos. So if you can scan and print out your pictures, or make a photocopy. All right, here we go. So as you can see, top left to top left, top right to top right, and so on. So we're going to start by using reference points, measuring from the top and how far the top of the apple comes on the page. Same thing on the left, how far over the apple starts. And we're going to just start bending the curve of the fruit there. Notice that I'm not pressing very hard with my pencil. You always want to be able to erase the lines that you mark on your page. You may be adding color to this later, or you may just need to adjust the lines that you've drawn. So try not to have too hard of a grip on your pencil. Just double checking the angle there. Again, searching for reference points. You'll hear me say that over and over. It's a very important thing when drawing. All right, this might seem a little odd, but everyone's wrists have a more natural bend and kind of an awkward bend. I'm right-handed, and sort of curving my pencil the way I'm doing it now is much more comfortable, as opposed to me trying to draw that section of the apple upside down. So don't be afraid ever to turn your paper in whatever way works best for you. And I think I'm about to pantomime that wrist action I was just talking about. Okay, we're closing up the last quadrant on our apple. Just sometimes it's easy to create a little muscle memory there. See how the pencil curves right over the reference photo and then mimic that curve. Looking to see how far down the, I don't know what you would call that on an apple, but the little divot near the stem. Again, measuring that. how far over they are. And that's just the last little bit we need to add. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to add color to this. I'm going to use colored pencils. They are one of my favorite tools to use. Of course, you can experiment with all sorts of things, and we may try some other media together, but I think I'm going to start with pencils. Okay, just finishing that little stem there, making any adjustments and double checking angles. All right, cool. Thanks for joining me.